says there's fire. Okay, so I'm making a video for YouTube about how to replace a smoke detector. Make sure you can see the area where it is. Right there.
Everything on me and climb up and stand on this? No way. I think there's 2x4s going through this, but I actually look like there's 8s. I'm not doing that.
And not 2 by anything, there's 6
Granny,
by
you
8s.
brought you brought your tablet?
But they're 2 by something. But
I saw
Oh,
Granny brought her tablet.
this is just a cover.
I see what you're saying.
Huh?
Later on, you set it up, like, you know,
Awesome. That was easy.
apps on it or whatever.
You want to change that
I
label?
I do not want to get the coronavirus.
Label this
so
out here?
It's not a.
I
It's
think
not
my
a
dad
track.
can help you with that.
Oh, so it's a track light.
The
Yeah,
track
it's like
light.
It's a little bulb. We gotta unscrew the whole thing.
We gotta take the track lighting
It's
out.
not just. It's not a regular light bulb.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mess with it.
This light needs to be taken down. The one right by the fan needs to be taken down as well. I think these two track lighting should be taken
Benjamin, you know what you could do?
and the ones in the living room should stay.
Benjamin, open up that screen door. So I'm gonna take this out that way.
Take it out that way.
Yep.
What are you gonna do with it?
Put it back. It was.
Alright, so there's the smoke detector up there. What we have to do is we have to take that light and that light over there down. We're going to take these two track lightings down and keep these two up. Here's the I think this may be the final time showing you the light switch. Whoops, wrong light. Here's the 3 lights. We need to put it back. Whoops. Why do I keep doing the wrong switch? Okay. So my dad's going to put it back. Okay. It's not our ladder. Where is he? Yeah, that. They're painting they're finishing the tennis court down there.
It's simple. So it's a crazy complicated situation. Because at first they have a.
Yeah, there's Granny's phone.
Yeah, you want to give it to her?
Yeah, I'll give it to her.
I don't
Okay.
understand this.
Go back inside. Does anything else need to be done with the
Oh,
smoke?
the backup battery?
Do we need to take down those 2 track lights?
Why you would want electrical if you're just going to have
Dad.
anyways?
Are you gonna take down those 2 track lighting? Is that what you're gonna do?
And they're all linked together.
Yeah, I think we may need to move the track lighting over. Dad, Granny, I found your phone.
Thank you, darling.
Here, I'll put it right here on the bed. Here's the fan in here. I already showed you a fan video. Dad, what do you need to do to the track lighting up here?
There's a little bulb that needs to be replaced. Which I'll do that tomorrow.
That one needs to be replaced as well. Both of these bulbs right here need to be replaced. So that'll be the last time seeing those 2. But these, we're gonna place all 4 bulbs here. Yeah, we brought a ton. I'm gonna end the video right here. Goodbye.
You want some of it?